So this is the King 5 newsroom food waste bin.
Don't tell anyone I just did that in the conference room.
Anyway, here at King, we send our food waste off to a facility to have someone else turn it into compost. But what if we wanted to do it right here, all by ourselves? Prison may seem like a weird place to learn how to compost food waste, but when I went to this prison in Monroe past all the razor wire, I noticed this gate, gate 7, with flowers on it.
So we give them a nice little tossing to get the air in and just get the guys going. They love to be tossed around and moved around.
Juan Hernandez is one of the inmates at the Monroe Correctional Complex who's part of the vermiculture program. What's vermiculture? It's using worms to compost food waste.
They're really the workhorse of the composting world. This right here, that looks like dirt, is their castings, which is basically a nice way of saying worm poop. This is just a bunch of basically fertilizer. We come and scoop out a bunch of these castings, and we take them over here to our castings if you want to come over here.
I guess I'll go eat some worms.
I also asked Hernandez, what did he used to think worms were good for?
Bait? For fish bait, I guess. And now I appreciate them so much, and I'll see a worm out in the rain, out in the middle of the walkway, and I'll pick them up and throw them back in the grass just because I don't want them to get hurt, because they're so important to the world.
When Hernandez gets out of prison, he'll have been in 20 years, nearly half his life. He was in a gang as a teenager, and he was convicted of murder. But he cried when he got his worm composting graduation certificate. Because he says the worms changed his life.
I believe that not only do we recycle food, but we recycle people. It's given me a purpose to find a way and get out there and just, you know, change the world, because I'm trying to change the world. I'm really trying to change the world and see how sustainability goes, and I believe I'm the person to do that.
It was so cool to see Juan Hernandez get so excited about his worm certificate, and mostly because I learned that he had a newborn baby son when he went into prison, who's now going to be an adult when he gets out. And he says this has given him not only a new outlook on being a father, but his future career. If you want to learn more about how worms can change food waste into compost, how to do it yourself, go to our website, king5.com. We've posted a lot of helpful tips. And remember, if worms can change the world, so can you.